another day and it's raining. Well, I'm going to a friend's house, gonna give this painting of mine to her, and this is prettier in person, but that's all I can do. Okay, so it's totally raining outside, but let's see what I can do. I'm just gonna drive slow to make it there safely. Alright. As you can see, look at the rain. Look at the cars. Alright, but Bing, you can't stop me from going anywhere. No, not really. But okay, even if it's raining, it's God's grace. It's God's gift to us. Let's enjoy the rain. There's a homeless there out in the cold rain. Well, it's hard right now, you know, when homeless are out in the cold rain. I feel so bad for them. I know, you know, government provides for them, but sometimes they still stay outside. I don't know why, but you know, staying inside will keep them warm and they're gonna have food, but they're still outside. They choose to do that, you know. But of course, there's a lot of help in here if they wanted to. You know, there's shelter. There's Catholic, like Saint Vincent Catholic Church that will help them. But I hope they go inside. Don't just stay outside because it's really cold outside. We are blessed to have this rain because you know why? Summer has been really hot and there's so much of fire in California. And we needed rain. And of course, rain means water. So we're gonna have a lot of water, hoping, you know, just don't have a storm, just have rain. And of course, winter is coming, so more snow, but hopefully it's not gonna be a snowstorm, just a snow, a typical winter, and that's all we ask. Alright, so today as I'm going to another friend's house, you know, I'm trying my best to connect, you know, connection with other people. And I don't want to just like lock myself in my bedroom and just stay there and no one to talk to, which, you know, I enjoy my alone time, my solo. But then again, you know, we have to mingle, we have to go out, we can't just hide, we have to connect with other people, you know, keep your sanity and help us, you know, be able to understand other people. That's the only way to understand them, if we're able to connect with them, right? Yes, that's it. So peace again, as always. I like peace. I call You know, I always say peace to all because that's what I wanted to each and every one of us, you know. I don't think I'm the only one who doesn't have peace, but I wish for every one of us to get the peace. Okie dokie. Hopefully I'm in the right.
Ning,
I am here. I just got
Okay.
here.
sige dali, tuturo ko sa'yo kung saan.
Okie
Pasok
dokie.
ka na.
Oh,
Yung, may makikita ka nakalagay doon, yung
Number.
hours, parking, whatever. Ayun, may nakakulay blue.
anong number?
Walang number